second video of your training. I hope you have watched the first video of your training, which was the one part of your reporting. And now, as we have mentioned in our previous video, that there is an Excel sheet that we will be using for our daily report. So now we are going to talk about that one, and we will be discussing it in brief. So before we do that, please like, share, subscribe, and comment below, and hit that bell icon in order for you to be stayed tuned for our next video as soon as it's got uploaded. So this is the Excel sheet you would be doing each and every day, and that has to be done by 8 p.m. Afghanistan time, as we have mentioned in our previous video, 8 p.m. AFG Afghanistan time. So this has to be done, and for this one there would be a question raised like, once you do this, where you have to submit it. You do not need to submit it, no need to submit this one, because as you upload it over there, or you do the changes and update it over here, so everyone would be able to see that on their own end. Okay, so you just update it here each and every day. So the process for that would be, so like suppose this person, and before that here would be the name of the peoples mentioned, like X person. Okay, let me bring this somehow to the other side. X person here, and then there is the other person, Y. So, or, and this is the other person, Z. So they are going to update their daily report over here. So the first thing here would be like, this is your name. Okay, and you would be seeing your name here. Actually, you would be mentioning, or you writing your own name here, otherwise it would be done by the ETL, assistant team leader. So this here, it's also done by the ETL, and the date also. And then as the first column, we are having offer letter sent for the day. So once you download the CV, you do all the recruitment process, and this is actually for team leader. So once the interview is conducted, the team leader will be sending the offer letter. So sometimes you can also mention this one or change this one, but as far as it is concerned, it's for the work of team leader, but you have to be putting 0 over here. And total hiring, the hiring is when you do the interview and you submit the feedback. So that's one, that is when you would be updating here, like you have conducted one interview and submitted the feedback. So here you should be putting 1. Okay, and then the next one is interview conducted. If you have that one, and so the interview conducted will also be 1. Okay, and here we are having onboarded for the day, like once an intern signed the offer letter and the agreement letter, they would be sending back those offer letter and agreement letter. That's when a candidate is onboarded. So you suppose you onboarded 3, you just write it over here, and this is for only this day, as we have mentioned over here, 3. Okay, this is for each and every day. And then questionnaire sent, as I mentioned in our previous video, the questionnaire, how many questionnaire you have sent. Suppose for the day you have sent 4 questionnaires, and number of induction done. So this is something that when you send a Bittrex invitation, so then at that time you would be contacting your intern in order for them to get help regarding creating Bittrex account. Okay, this is when you would be doing this one, a number of induction done and Bittrex invitation sent. So this is something that you once you have sent the questionnaire and they have sent it back to you, so then you would be sending a request for the Bittrex creation or the Bittrex invitation sent. Okay, so this is, you keep one thing in mind, that if this is 1, so this has also be 1. Okay, so the same number, if here it's 1, it also has to be 1. If it's 2, it also has to be 2. Okay, this is the first sheet of your daily report that you would be taking care of it. Okay, so you just keep this thing in mind. I just want to reverse it. And then we are having the second sheet over here. In our second sheet here we are having QA. This is, here is the date, and suppose you are submitting the daily report over here. So this is for which day? This is for day 4 slash month 1 and 2023. Okay, here you would be writing your name, and then here is also questionnaire sent. So you should be checking this one also. Here we have questionnaire sent. If you have write one over here, so you should be writing one over here as well. It should be the same thing. Bittrex invitation sent, we have it over here, so you can also have Bittrex invitation sent, as you can see it over here. So you should also be putting the same number over here. And then interview conducted, how many interview have conducted, and onboarded. So this is when you onboard an intern, and you know when an intern is onboarded, when they send you back the questionnaires and also the offer letter signed. And then for the second sheet here also, it's for team B, so there are different teams, and this is the attendance, weekly attendance sheet. The team leader himself or herself do this one, and this is just the attendance. And here are the members info. So this is all the other sheets you should not be concerned about. So mainly you have to be taking care of the first two sheets, which is this one, daily report before 9:30 p.m. and the total daily report. You should be taking care of these two each and every day. So keep this in mind. Only the first two sheets are important, as you would be updating your daily report over here and within the total daily report in second sheet. So these two sheets are very much important, and it's very much easy. So here offer letter sent, and you have total hiring, interview conducted, onboarded for the day, questionnaire sent, number of induction, and Bittrex invitation done. So keep in mind these two has to have the same number. If this is 0, this also has to be 0. If this is 3, this also has to be 3. Okay, and I hope this is clear for you all. If not, please make sure to comment below, and we would be creating another video on this one. And thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for our next video. So in order for you to get notified, please like, share, subscribe, and comment below, and hit that bell icon in order for you to get notified as soon as the next video is uploaded. Take care all. Goodbye for now. Allah Hafiz.